Good morning Saudi Arabia. Good morning Philippines. Mayroon na naman tayong magic tricks guys. May natirang 3 cards guys. Isit aside natin to guys. Yung spectators guys, pipili ng 4 na files. Kahit ano dyan, ang pili niya guys. Guys, 4 na files ang pili niya guys. Sample na pili niya ito guys. Ito na pili niya. Set aside natin. Tapos ito guys. Tapos ito. Tapos ito guys, napili niya. Ito yung napili niya guys, yung spectators. 4 na files. Bubuksan natin yung bottom card guys, yung 4 na files na napili ng spectators guys. Jack, Queen, King, ang value nyo guys, 10. Add natin yung 4 na cards guys na naka-face up. Add natin. 10 plus 7, 17. Plus 10, 27. Plus 9, 36 guys. 36. Spell magic. M-A-G-I-C. Magic. $36 to guys, 36. Ngayon guys, eksakto to guys. 36 cards din ito guys. 36 cards. Bilangin natin guys. Kung tama yung prediction ng magician guys. 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. The magician is always correct guys. 36 cards guys. Thank you for watching guys.